So that would actually help.
Yo. Fireworks, hooray.
Hooray. And the camera will probably be fun. Should I hold it like this or like this?
I think like that would be good.
Okay. Or is it just because you don't like vertical camera?
I don't know. I think it's because I like horizontal cameras.
Okay.
Instead of vertical. Also, it captures more, so
Why you go
to
ha?
all you vertical screen lovers.
Oh God, I keep accidentally putting my finger over the camera and then it just turns white. See?
Yeah.
See? Look,
Oh
look, it's a holy light.
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Can you hold the camera for me?
Sure.
Just don't get it by the way.
I'm your cameraman.
Yes, be the cameraman. Don't face it to her back. Tell it away from the side. There.
Why do you have the light on?
Yeah, it's for recording. Tell it away from the thing. Just let me do it.
No.
Okay, fine.
Is this my last chance?
Yes, and if you and if you get close to the thing again, I will take it from you.
Yeah, the camera's really shaky. I'm giving it to you.
Okay, thank you. There's my holy fingers.
Oh.
Eating good?
What are you doing? Are you dancing? Hey, hey.
Oh, please don't. God, I can't even.
Imagine if that's the thumbnail, the picture of her up close. That would be great.
Probably the worst possible.
Honestly, it would probably be the one with the holy light of your finger. Anyways, can we stay up late?
Yes.
Thank you. Like until what time?
10:15.
Your mama clock.
You got till midnight.
You fall asleep whenever you feel. You fall asleep whenever you feel like it.
Starts a whole new one.
I remember you said that one time. I said, yes, I just got up like this morning. I went after he was asleep.
Right downstairs.
No, upstairs. I told him he could stay up later tomorrow. You know, I could be staring at the computer all night.
I seen these damn lights you could put in the pool at the bottom, and it brings out these real pretty colors.
Yeah, I've seen them before.
This is, check
They
this
kind of
out.
have them
We
like
go swimming
in
at
those
night.
things like the pool filter, not the filter, but thing that holds the chlorine. They have it like that.
Why are you still dancing?
That'd be cool. Go swimming at night. I put them on the
Wait, vertical cam. What do you think you're doing?
But I know they used to have one.
There's the demon eyes.
like one of those lights that you spin around.
Yeah.
There's just the holy light of my finger again.
LOL.
I think soon I'm gonna have to delete videos from my storage because I think I have limited amount of space left. Oh my God, the holy light of my finger is back again.
Laura, did you feed Simba tonight?
Yes, and shush, I'm recording a video. Shush.
That one was pretty. Got red on the water.
Oh no. Wait.
What?
Oh no, name reveal.
Kick.
Ouch.
What are you doing to me?
Oh, what am I doing?
Did you almost fall over?
It scared me.
What?
Don't get by the gate.
Laughing stock. Play laughing stock.
Would you get out the way?
Play laughing stock image.
Why?
Like cringy emoji image.
Stop it, please.
Like, this joke ain't funny.
You don't want to go take a ride downtown?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna be up on
Yeah, I want to
How
be
about if we
a
drop you off downtown and you all walk back home?
No.
that. That's our legal one.
Rar.
She's got the GPS on the phone.
Downtown Miami or?
You could put it on. You could put it on walking.
No, that. No.
I hate recording vertically. I'm putting on
I was
horizontal.
gonna say that's how you get around to your classes in school. On YouTube.
No, I don't. I do it by memory. Why are you hitting me?
Get lay well Eldon. And we haven't seen him again since.
We haven't seen who again since.
Downtown is worse enough, but downtown Miami, that's a whole nother story. Of worse.
So, should I stop recording now?
No.
How long?
Till the fireworks are over.
And do you even know how long that will be?
You're not gonna watch it, are you?
Then I get distracted by like Tyler and stuff. Then I just start filming him instead.
Wait, back.
Bad boy.
No, you.
No, I'm not a boy.
Is that an armadillo?
Is that an armadillo?
No, it's your mom.
Ow. My leg is itchy.
Get layout on.
Kick. Wait. Kick.
You missed.
Screw you.
No.
What? I said screw
Get
you.
layout on. Anyway.
No, you. Okay, I'm stopping recording now. If anyone wants to say goodbye to YouTube, tell me now.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
You have to look at it.
Subscribe to me, please. Bye. Subscribe to me, please.
Okay. Goodbye.